Welcome back, viewers. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about HCF by the different way. In the first way, how can we find the HCF if we are given some number? So HCF, this is our discussion topic for today. Let's suppose I was given the number 45 and 60. So we are using division by a common factor method or continuous division method. There will be, after this I will give you a short discussion about that as well. So write 45 comma 60, separate them by the comma and in a row, then try to find out which number is divisible by both. So find out the common factor, as I said that division by common factor. So HCF highest common factor we are using by find out the common factor about that. So if you see that the minimum number for divisible by 45 and 60, that is 3. So 3 divided by 15, 45 divided by 3 give us 15, or what number you multiply give you 45, so that is 15. And similarly you can check that what number you multiply by 3 give you 60, or 60 divided by 3 give you 20. Now again check the other common number, common factor between these two numbers. So that is 5. So it means 5. 15 divided by 5 give you 3, and 20 divided by 5 give you 4. So let's see, is there any common factor between these two numbers? So if you feel that there is no common number between the common factor between the terms, so stop the number dividing, and then whatever the number on beside which have the common factor between these two terms, that is called your HCF. So HCF of this question is 3 times 5 is 15. So this is your HCF. Okay, so what we do that we should divide until we keep divide until we find that there is no common factor. So when you find that there is no common factor, so stop on that. So the number beside, multiply them which are the common factor between the terms, that number is called HCF. Okay, now we can find HCF by using a small trick. So here I'm using the trick as well, or okay, so with the trick we can find out the HCF. Let's suppose if I give a simple example here, if I have, there are two number 8 and let's suppose 12. So take the difference of these two numbers, find the difference of the numbers. So after finding the difference, we have 12 minus the bigger minus smaller give us 4. Now check either these two numbers are divisible by if these two numbers are divisible by 4, so it means the common factor of HCF of these number is 4. So 8 can divided by 4, yes. So 12 also can divided by 4, yes. So our HCF equal 4. Okay, another example, if we say that let's see, if we have the number 35 and 45. Okay, and 45. Now find the difference. So 45 minus 35 give us 10. Now if you see that 10 is the factor of the two numbers, find the factor of two numbers for this. So it means that this is 5 and 2. Now check the number, either 2 can divide all the numbers or any one of the number what we are given. So 35 cannot divide by 2 and 45 also cannot divide by 2. So what number, even the single number cannot divide by the any one of the given term, so discard this number, so cancel this one. So now check for the second number. With the second number, if you see that the 5, 35 can divide by 5 and 45 also divided by 5. So it means that our HCF for this part equal 5. Okay, so this is what about you have HCF with the trick. We have another method. The method is called the continuous division method. In that method also you can find out HCF, but depends on your scenario of the work. But this trick somehow you can use for your finding the solutions. And but if you are given to find the HCF and you are given the little bit 2 or 3 marks question, depends on as you know that in IGCSE, so please go for the by prime common factor, prime factor, that one, or common factor. Okay, let's see with the other example. If you have, let's suppose 24 by the continuous division method. So it is continuous division method here. If you are given 24 and 36, so what you should do that first step in divide, greater divided by smaller. So 36 is a greater in this method, so 36 divided by 24. Now so the quotient is 1 times 24 minus 8, it becomes 12. But still if you see that we don't have the number, it's 0, so we should divide until we get the 0 here. So make the smaller number. Now after that this is your remainder. So remainder, so then take divisible by divisor now 24, and dividend is 24. Now what number you multiply gives 24, so multiply by 2, so it becomes 24, so get 0. You have to continue until you get the 0 here. Okay, so then the number which is the last remainder here, that is basically your HCF. So as HCF here for this part, HCF is 12. Okay, so let's suppose take another example. Another example, let's suppose you are given okay, now what we take here, 1044 then divided by 1044 divided, or the second number, sorry, you take the second number, uh, 1512. So as we know that according to this definition we go for the smaller, a greater divided by smaller. So this is the greater, this is the smaller, so it means that 1512. So see what number you divide, give us the remainder, the number 1 multiply this, it becomes 1444. So minus 8, you will get here 12, 8, then after that here 10, and here 6, then here 4. So then again make this one as a denominator, so we go for continue the question here 1044. Then again divide, what number give us either 1044 or less than that. So if we go for multiply by 2, it becomes 936. So 936 minus 8, and you will get 8 and 3, and here becomes 3, it becomes 0, and here becomes it's 1009, 10 minus 1 equal, this is 18. Now again continue, as you know that's 468. Then here what number you multiply give us 468, 3 and 8, okay, 4 by 4. So it becomes, if you multiply by 4, it becomes 432. Okay, now this can be how much, 36. So continue this one, So it is 36, 108. What number you multiply give us 36? So that is 3. So 108. So now it's 0. So as I said that at the beginning, we have to continue our division. That's why it's called the continuous division method. So the last remainder is called your this is the last remainder. So this is your HCF for this question. So HCF for here equal 36. The last remainder is your HCF. Hope you get the help from these three methods to finding the HCF. Okay, thank you very much.